Christopher. My name is Fabian. I'm a co-founder and COO of Keyless. We are a deep tech cybersecurity company building passwordless, privacy-preserving biometric authentication solutions that are based on more than 10 years of research in biometrics and cryptography. And today I'd like to talk about the state of authentication and biometric authentication, in particular, the challenges and opportunities we see the industry is facing, and the approach that we take at Keyless to address these gaps and give an outlook on the future, what we see ahead of us toward working on a more personal paradigm, user-centric paradigm of managing our identities, which I think Prashant very well introduced just now. Here we are. So yeah, just a few words on Keyless. To start with, we provide passwordless authentication for the workforce as a frictionless login, single sign-on, universal biometric multi-factor, and for the consumers as a GDPR and PSD2 compliant strong customer authentication capability that allows businesses to strongly authenticate their users with a simple look into the front-facing camera of any device without being dependent on the hardware vendor or operating system. And when it comes to authentication, we're not only talking about passwords. And when we talk about authentication, we refer to the act of verifying or proving our claimed identity, most commonly through username and password that we initially established and had verified when we opened our account, onboarded to a bank, or as an employee with our employer. And it's an act that we're all involved in multiple times on a daily basis. And generally, when we talk about authentication, we have these three authentication factors. One, an inherence factor, something we are, such as our physical or behavioral biometrics. A possession factor, something we have, such as a password, such as a device, like a hard token, a mobile phone. And three, a knowledge factor, something we know, such as a password or a PIN. One of the elements or use cases very similar to MasterCard is education, which is going to a massive reform, where we're also helping a university in Italy, Luis, in a partnership with Cisco, our technology partner, and there's 10,000 students to sit exams remotely who are using the Keyless Authenticator app to access their exam sessions that are held on the Cisco WebEx tool, their video conferencing tool, integrated with our Microsoft Active Directory the university is using, which happened successfully from May up until last week and will continue in September. With this, I'd like to thank you